Hello to all you good people, you're watching Crypto TV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, leading you into the world of digital currencies, and here are the headlines. Cryptocurrencies rebound on buying by institutional investors. BlockFi gets Ledn offer amid FTX acquisition talks. Finblocks raises withdrawal limit, explores legal action against 3AC. VanEck files news application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. US DOJ charges promoters of Baller Ape Club NFT in rug pull scam. Salvador buys 80 additional bitcoins at $19,000, says President Bukele. Facebook begins testing NFTs with select US creators. FBI adds OneCoin founder Ruja Ignatova to its most wanted list. Now let's look at today's top trending stories in details. Cryptocurrencies rebounded on Friday, led by Bitcoin, amid buying by institutional investors at the start of the new quarter, as fears of fresh defaults receded temporarily. Bitcoin, however, continued to trade below $20,000. Analytical data show that institutional traders were no longer selling their holdings actively, but buying relatively large volumes of spot Bitcoin. According to the data, the third largest Bitcoin whale has bought around 1,416 Bitcoins in the last 2 days. Yesterday, the whale wallet added $21.64 million worth of 815 BTC, with another tranche of 601 Bitcoins worth approximately $12.6 million in just one transaction. Small players, known as shrimps in crypto parlance, have been aggressively adding the token since March 2020. Shrimps are holding 1.12 million bitcoins cumulatively. Taking cues from the development, crypto exchanges liquidated over 65,700 traders in the past 24 hours, holding a total outstanding position of $230 million. Most of the position liquidated were shorts. In fact, short position liquidations doubled that of longs, analytical data showed. Meanwhile, US stock fluctuated in opening trades on Friday after the S&P 500 closed out its worst first-half performance in decades. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $19,200, up 0.3% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, traded around $1,050, up over 2% in a similar time span. Other major altcoins too traded higher. Troubled crypto lender BlockFi Inc., already in talks with industry giant FTX, has been approached about a deal with another party that includes rival Ledn. FTX's reported offer is for a full acquisition. Ledn's involves a fresh funding round. This funding would supposedly be for up to $400 million and include $50 million in equity, giving Ledn a sizable ownership stake in BlockFi. BlockFi, when asked about the proposal from Canada-based Ledn, said in a statement that it does not comment on market rumors. However, BlockFi CEO Zach Prince on Thursday afternoon took to Twitter to vehemently deny news that his company had agreed to sell to FTX for just $25 million. Cryptocurrency staking platform Finblocks raised its daily withdrawal cap to $3,000, with an additional increase to $50,000 planned next week for verified users. The decision comes 2 weeks after the company imposed a $1,500 limit as a result of its exposure to hedge fund Three Arrows Capital. Three Arrows Capital faced a flurry of liquidations in June, incurring at least $400 million in losses from crypto lending firms. Finblocks has sent multiple demands to Three Arrows Capital since then, requesting that the entire loan is repaid in full. It is also seeking legal counsel on recovery of funds. Investment giant VanEck has filed a new application for a spot Bitcoin ETF with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. VanEck's filing for its VanEck Bitcoin Trust comes just 8 months after the SEC rejected its previous application and just a day after it denied the spot Bitcoin ETF applications of Grayscale Investments and Bitwise. The SEC has repeatedly cited concerns about applicants' ability to prevent market manipulation and protect investors, although the agency has approved multiple Bitcoin futures ETFs. The U.S. Department of Justice, or DOJ, slapped charges against a person promoting Bored Ape Club non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, which appears to be an alleged rug pull scam. The Justice Department has reportedly named 5 people involved in crypto fraud schemes, which together raised more than $130 million from investors. In a statement, the US DOJ accused a 26-year-old Vietnamese Ledn of committing wire fraud and international money laundering using the Bored Ape NFTs. The DOJ added that the criminal was conspiring to steal more than $2.6 million from the investors. Soon after selling the first batch of NFTs, Tuan and his fellow conspirators engaged in a rug pull by shutting down the project and fleeing with the investors' money. The DOJ found that Tuan and his gang laundered investors' money using chain chopping. If convicted, the criminals could also be facing 40 years of prison. President Nayib Bukele said on June 30th that El Salvador bought 80 bitcoins at $19,000 each. "Bitcoin is the future. Thank you for selling cheap," Bukele tweeted and accompanied the text with screenshots of 80 purchases made on Thursday, which totaled $1.52 million. El Salvador is 55.03% down on its Bitcoin bet. From September until today, the country has acquired 2,301 coins for a total of $103.9 million, but its portfolio is currently worth $46.6 million. After debuting NFT support on Instagram, Meta has started a slow rollout that allows a select group of creators in the United States to post digital collectibles on Facebook. With this feature, these creators will be able to show off NFTs on their profiles under a new tab, and the art will have digital collectibles label just like Instagram. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg said that soon after the sharing feature is activated, it will allow creators to cross-post on Instagram and Facebook. Clicking on the NFT posts on the timeline, it will show you the details about the digital collectible and its creator. Meta has said there won't be any fees associated with posting or sharing a digital collectible. For now, the company has also said that it won't offer the ability to turn digital collectible posts into ads. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, also known as FBI, today added Ruja Ignatova, OneCoin founder and self-proclaimed crypto queen, to its list of 10 most wanted fugitives for her role in allegedly defrauding investors of more than $4 billion. The agency is offering a $100,000 reward for the information leading to Ignatova's arrest. Ignatova, who has been on the run since 2017, is accused of operating a massive Ponzi scheme involving a cryptocurrency called OneCoin. Earlier this year, Ignatova was added to the most wanted list of Europol, the European Union law enforcement agency. She also faces charges in India. Well, those were the top trending stories of this hour. Keep watching your favorite channel, Crypto TV. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, signing off.